Assalamu alaikum. Today's video I am going to discuss what is EVI line and why EVI line used in heat pump VRF system. In a scroll compressor, there is three connection port: number one suction, number two discharge, and number three EVI. EVI means enhanced vapor injection. It's a booster line. It injects medium pressure refrigerant to the compressor to generate more heat output. When we run our VRF system at lower temperature, that means minus 10, minus 20 degrees Celsius, then it reduces compression ratio and lower discharge temperature. So compressor stays safe in heating operation. It also increases our normal VRF capacity during extreme heating condition. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.